Hey there, it's Christy Lowe, a 30-year video producer and filmmaker, and I'm here to tell you how to make great videos that build your brand awareness and set you apart from your competitors. Businesses that produce quality video content gain a huge advantage in their respective markets because many of their competitors don't produce videos. They either don't know how or they think it's something that requires a large budget. I'm here to tell you that is a myth. And with the proper training, you can quickly gain a leg up on your competitors, grow your revenue, and increase your bottom line. The training that I'm offering, perfected from years of professional video production for companies both large and small, will teach you how to plan great videos, how to film them, how to get good quality sound, and even how to edit them, even if all you have is your cell phone. You'll quickly stand out from the pack, save thousands of dollars on production, and depending on your industry, you may even break even on the program within the first week of your videos going live. Don't be like those other guys who have the right idea, but without the proper training, make poor quality videos that actually hurt their business image. I can show you how to do videos the right way and get results. I've taken everything I've learned over the past 30 years and put it all into a great tutorial course just for you. This course is packed with real hands-on demonstrations, practical tips, and real examples of business video do's and don'ts, so you can create effective videos to promote your brand on social and your website. And as a bonus, I'm giving away this one-of-a-kind video production course for just $100 for the first 20 people who click this link to order. After that, it's back to full price at $500 per course. So what have you got to lose? Click now and start making great business videos today.